Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlamini's. Ovele Pike, everybody's bringing her some things. Even Usibongile requested to assist her financially. Ugo at first it looked like nje uthi nje yena uzoba steering akwenze konke hayi akukhonakala ukuthi akwenze konke. Sibongile insisted ukuthi ngizokunceda uthanda ungathandi. Ubaba wakhe uvuma naye wamlethela izinto even though she rejected them, but uvuma ke washiya khona lapho. Here's the thing, abangani bakhe, they're telling her ukuthi it's not going to be easy, bruh. It's not going to be easy because now everything ibheke wena, the lights, the what. Is it that bad for you to go back home? So ugelo wathi lapho ke angibuyeli, ngamani nje ngihambe ngihlanya ngidobha amaphepha, angibuyeli mina nomntwana wami sihleli la. So bahleli ke lapho, and then kube ubani, kube uPhumlani akwatiswa ukuthini ubabakhe ublock indawo la mele kungcwatshe khona ubaba omkhulu / ubaba kakwenzo. Wafike athi sizongcwaba, athi angeke ngcwabe la, khohlwa, forget, you know what. So it's also creating challenges now. uPhakamani uya expose ukuthi kahle kahle ubabakho umuntu oso. The reason why babakho simzonda as a family, this is what's happening. Wakhipha zonke iphiri. What's going to happen? Will uKwenzo finally be able to convince uSibalikhulu ukuthi ubhuti wakhe naye he's a rightful descendant of that family and therefore should be buried on those grounds, or it's not going to happen? But ke sabheke lokho, it goes to show ukuthi Sibongile and the Dlamini's is not coming back for another season because they are moving way too fast. Guy does what? Introduces side chick at she's uNomfundo is going to be my second wife and she's going to move in as in tomorrow. Ngithi kusho okhethe wonke umuntu. uKwenzo athi no, you cannot be punishing umama for into eyenzakala 20 what years ago. Athi ngithi mfana wami, uNomfundo uzongena la, uzoba makhoda bamamela abahelper bamangele abababazi. So ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani yile sazoyibona, but hayi bangenile phakathi inside bangenile uNomfundo nomntwana wakhe. Hayi uPhetheni ahambe ayokhuluma noNomfundo extending an olive branch aze atsheleke uba lo mntana lo ujabulile, like umntana kaNomfundo ukuthi finally I'm gonna live with my mom and my dad. Remember for yena it's another thing because like he's been wishing ukuthi ahlale nabazali bakhe. Everything abazali bakhe bayenza in secret because he's a child. He's not understanding ukuthi how is this uncomfortable for ifamily kalo baba because beba family without bona. Worst part, now they're gonna have two moms in the family. As much as it did not digest well, i-reality yabo ke uNomfundo uyangena, hayi baphume nalabantwana kube yi-something nyana dinner nyana something nyana babatshele yo uwenzeni is not accepting it, uwenzeni akayifuni, uwenzeni akayizwa. But ke uSibalikhulu once, Sibalikhulu gets.